What challenges might delay a project? So it would be resource availability. If we have resources available on time, then we should be able to implement them. And we have budget limitation. We have no budget limitation, or we have enough money, then we shouldn't be able to delay our project. Unexpected delays, that would be any natural disasters or somebody falls ill. Those would be things which could affect the timeline, the scope, the time, and the cost of the project. Whether an exam would be like
Assalamu
this.
alaikum.
Alaykum salam. An exam would be, I'll
Sorry,
ask
I'm
you, okay,
late.
no worries, inshallah, I'll take the attendance at the end. In exam, I can ask you, like, give me two or three of all these factors that can affect the delay, the project. So you have to give me those in the exam. So I'm trying to not ask you all of them, because it's going to be difficult to remember all of them. So I'm going to ask you two or three, like half or some of them, not all of them. I try to make it as easy as possible, inshallah. Weather environment, for example, today is the weather, it's not in our control, so that could cause a big delay. For example, we used to have 1 hour lesson, now it's 35, so it has affected our time for the lessons. Team members availability, sometimes people fall ill, so that will be either covered by other people. Of course, that's going to be jeopardizing their own work as well. And changing the requirements, sometimes you are given the requirements for a project, then the customers want to change it, then whatever as a manager you calculated the time, the scope, and the cost, they will be changed as well. So these are some of the things which some of them we can control, some of them we cannot control. Many things can impact the project. A good project manager predicts risks, prepares solutions, and reduce their impact. So these are the properties or the characteristics of a good manager.